Hey, what's going on, guys? Rosmichev in the house, and today in this video I'm going to show you the fastest way you can make money on ClickBank as an affiliate. And in fact, I'm going to show you what the top 5 affiliates are doing on ClickBank, because in reality the top 5 affiliates on the platform are making 95% of the commissions. Just a handful of people are making the most money. So today I'm going to show you a powerful underground technique in which we're going to be using some special free websites, special tools to help us find out what other people are doing on ClickBank and just duplicate what they have. I don't know if you know the saying, but smart people copy and not so smart people are starting from scratch. So today we don't want to start from scratch. We want to start making money as soon as possible. And also we're going to be using something called Google operators to increase our commissions. And no, you don't have to be a developer or software engineer to work with the Google operators. You can just copy and paste them. I'm going to show you. It's not very difficult. And by uploading this video on YouTube, I might really piss off some people, because the information I'm going to show you here, I will actually expose the top affiliates on ClickBank, and they might get a little angry about that. But hey, let's open the door, let everybody in so everybody can get a piece of the pie. Let's go ahead and set up the system. It's going to be a step-by-step tutorial. Let's do it. Let's go. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is go over to ClickBank, click Marketplace, and then click this search icon here. Then you have to select an offer to promote, and it doesn't matter which one you're going to pick because the system works with all of the offers on ClickBank. So let's go with the first one, proven. Click that, and from here you can watch the video if you want, get familiar with the product. But now what we're going to do is something special. Select the domain name getproven.net without the URL parameter, only getproven.net. Copy that, open a new tab in your browser and type similarweb.com. In the search bar, paste the domain name from ClickBank that you just copied, pasted, and click the domain name. Now from here, what we want to look at is the actual traffic that comes to this domain name, because if there is no traffic, it means that nobody is promoting this offer. But from this graphic we can see that there is a huge spike of traffic, and it's been like that for the past couple of months. So this is a very hot offer, and now we know that it's trending and people are actually sending traffic to this ClickBank offer and they're making money. Now we're not here for that, we're here for something special. Let's go to the juicy stuff. Scroll down to the special part here where it says referrals. Now what we're going to do here is actually we're going to track people who are promoting this offer on ClickBank. We can see this is referrals. We can see who is promoting this offer and how they're promoting it. We can see different domain names right here on the left side that are sending traffic to the main domain name from ClickBank, the main offer. We want to find how are they promoting the offer and what landing pages they're using, etc. So the first thing you need to do is just pick one of these referrals and click this icon that says go to the website. So we can see the actual website that is sending traffic to the ClickBank offer. Click that. Alright, so we don't see any website here from this domain, World Health Wellness, but that doesn't mean that they're not sending traffic. It means that they have hidden their landing pages. So how can we find the landing pages that they're using to send traffic to the ClickBank offers? Well, here comes the other special ninja trick. This is a pro tip. We're going to be using the Google operators. Select the domain name, put your cursor in the front and type site, column. That's it. So basically what we're going to do, we're going to tell Google, hey Google, instead of searching the entire internet, just search within this website. So if I hit enter, we're going to have only results that they come from this website. These are landing pages. As you can see, the URL here says worldhealthwellness.com, worldhealthwellness.com, etc, etc. It's the same domain name. So what we did here, we actually forced Google to give us results only about this website. Now we want to take it a step deeper because we are smarter. So we're going to use another modulator in Google to actually refine our results. So click next to the domain name, hit space, and select the plus sign, and now the keyword that we want to look for, which is in our case, if I go back to ClickBank, the keyword is the name of the product, which is called proven. Go back to Google and just type proven and click search. And here it is. The first result that pops up is a landing page from this website dedicated to proven. And if I select this page, let's open it. Voila, we have the actual landing page from the affiliate who is promoting this proven offer. He doesn't mention anywhere the proven name. The only place he mentions the name of the offer is actually in the title right here. I can bring this. It says proven right here, as you can see. So this is the only place he's mentioning the name proven. And again, if I go to the domain name that we just saw from SimilarWeb, if I delete this URL and just hit enter, we should see the empty website. There we go. So I'm gonna click back. Now that we found the landing page this affiliate is running, we want to also check this affiliate if he's getting traffic. Select the domain name World Health Wellness, copy this, go back to SimilarWeb and just type their URL here in the search box like we did with the proven domain name. Paste. So if we scroll down here, we can see that they're pushing a lot of traffic as well. 164,000 people a month, which is insane, which is huge. We know that this offer is converting because it has a lot of traffic. We also found one of the top affiliates who is promoting this offer. We found his landing page and now we know that he's running traffic, and pretty much we know the way he's promoting this offer works. So the next step is go back to the actual landing page, and we want to take this landing page and modify it a little bit and make it our own. So the next step is open a new tab and type site.pro and click sign up. You can sign up either with Facebook or just an email, and I already have an account, so I'm just gonna click login. And from here, click create a new website. Don't freak out, you don't have to do any work. Now go back to the proven landing page that we found from this affiliate, World Health Wellness. Copy the URL, go back to site.pro. Here where it says import any website, paste this URL and click import. And voila, you have your very own landing page that you took from a proven affiliate that is proven to be working, because we already proved it with SimilarWeb that they're driving a lot of traffic. So we know this is a working landing page, and now we have it for our own. Here the image is missing, so let's go back, right click on the image. Oh, I can't copy it. So yeah, they have some protections, but what we can do, hold down Shift Command and C, or hold down Shift Control and C if you're on a Windows, and with the mouse hover over the image so it becomes blue like that. Click, and if I pull this up, we can see right here is the image. So right click here and open a new tab. So there we have it. Select this URL, copy this, go back to your website. You already have a website for free. Double click this space here, click picture URL, paste the URL here and click import into gallery, and then click select. And voila, you have a working website, a working landing page from a pro affiliate. You actually took one of the best landing pages that you know they're driving a lot of traffic to this landing page, and you know that this landing page is sending traffic to ClickBank. So what I recommend is just change the landing page a little bit so you don't get into any copyright infringements. And by changing it a little bit, I don't mean you have to change the entire landing page. You can just change one keyword and it becomes yours. So for example, here the title says take just one sip after dinner to flatten and tighten your tummy overnight. So instead of tummy, I can say belly. Now it becomes unique for myself. There you go. Tighten your belly overnight. That's now unique. I don't have to change the entire text because it's not the same as the original one. And the last thing you need to do is go back to ClickBank, click promote on the proven offer, click generate hop links, copy this hop link, go back to site.pro and click watch now. Scroll down to the right side where it says link, click the link, click edit this pencil here and change this tracking link. You see, this is their tracking link that they're using to track their sales with your hop link that you just copied from ClickBank. So paste it here, boom, click apply, and now just click publish, and that's it. This is a free website builder that you don't even have to build a website. Now it says completed, scroll down and click close, and I'll just go back to your dashboard, which is this one. Maybe refresh it, and here is our landing page / website. In my case it says ros2.site.pro. And when I click this landing page right here, see what is going to happen? Now we have our very own landing page, which is from a pro affiliate, and we know it converted. And when people come here and they click watch Now they're going to be redirected to our hop link and to the actual VSL or sales page from ClickBank. Now the techniques I'm showing you here, guys, I developed them myself. I didn't learn them anywhere. You know, the Google operators, the similar web thing. I've been an affiliate marketer for the past 6-7 years. So I don't know if you like these secrets, but let me know in the comments below what you guys think. But the last step is to start driving traffic to this landing page. And there are two ways of driving traffic: free traffic and paid traffic. I usually do paid traffic 90% of the cases, but free traffic is good if you're just starting out and you don't have any money to invest. Paid traffic is good when you want to scale your campaigns. I'm gonna list some resources and other videos that I have about free and paid traffic and how you can run paid traffic to this landing page that you just found and you make it your own. You can also put your own domain name here if you want. It's up to you, it's optional. And so these techniques, these tricks that I'm showing you, they apply to any offer on ClickBank. We just took this example, but you can apply the techniques to any other offer you want to promote on ClickBank and find who is promoting this offer. Is this offer getting any traffic at all? Is it ranking good? What people are using as landing pages to promote this offer? So thanks so much for watching, folks. I will see you in the next video. Cheers.